Do you always feel like your hamstrings get really tight all the time? Or you want to be able to touch your toes, but you cannot? So today I'm going to be showing you what you should be doing to help to improve your hamstring flexibility. If you want to get your hamstrings feeling less tight over time, this is the video for you. So a lot of hamstring stretches these days, you're actually stretching your sciatic nerve. That's why most of the time you actually feel the tension when you're stretching at the back of your knee. So this is going to be an exercise you can do to help to actually target your hamstring, especially if your tightness, you're more in the proximal region here. So what you want to do is find yourself a step. So a lot of the stretches that people typically do actually involve stretching more your sciatic nerve than anything. So today I'm going to be showing you some hamstring stretches that you can actually use to stretch out your hamstring. So taking out that sciatic nerve component there. So what you want to do is find yourself a step, and this is usually a very common hamstring stretch where you just pull your toes towards you, keep your back straight, and just lean forward like this. Because a lot of us have very tight sciatic nerves, most of the time that's where we're going to be feeling it. And yes, you're going to be getting that hamstring stretching as well, but if you really want to be getting to just your hamstring and you're feeling your hamstring tightness more in the proximal end, the hamstring belly that's a little bit closer to your butt, this is what you want to do. So you want to keep your foot planted on the step here, keeping that back straight. You're going to lean forward onto your knee. So there, I'm already feeling a big hamstring pull, and now I'm taking that, again, sciatic nerve, neurotension away, and just stretching that hamstring. So you want to hold this for about 45 seconds to a minute, and you just want to go into that position where you feel that slight discomfort of a stretch, but no pain. You shouldn't be feeling any pain and overstretching it. So again, holding it, feel that tension here, keeping that foot on the ground, because your hamstring does cross two joints, your hip joint and your knee joint. So if you want to get a stretch to it, this is what you do. Okay, super easy. So second thing that you can do is we're going to revert back into improving your hamstring flexibility by doing some eccentric strengthening. So static stretching honestly is not one of my go-to exercises if you wanted to improve hamstring flexibility. I actually do tend to go towards more the eccentric strengthening component of increasing your hamstring mobility. So what you want to do is grab some dumbbells or a bar, up to you. So today I'm just going to be grabbing some dumbbells here. Nice. What I like to do is RDLs, so Romanian deadlifts. Keep your legs relatively straight, about shoulder width apart. Bend the knees a little bit if you want. You're going to grab the dumbbells, you're going to slide them down your legs. And then you can hold that for about a second or two and come up. So you want to do that controlled eccentric phase. So that's your lengthening phase. Keeping your spine neutral, and then you're going to squeeze your butt to come up. So if you're doing an eccentric lengthening, you actually want to be loading it quite a bit. So right now I'm just using some 12-pound dumbbells, which are super light. But if you actually want to improve your hamstring flexibility, I would recommend you really picking a weight that challenges you, going down in the eccentric phase, and then squeeze your butt to come up, keeping that back straight. So if you don't know how to do this movement here, I recommend you going to watch other videos that I'm going to be demonstrating how you do a proper Romanian deadlift. If you're not ready for this yet, do the exercise I just showed you, just to do some static stretching of that hamstring to start. And if you want to learn how to do Romanian deadlifts, I'm going to be linking a couple videos in the outro, and you can click on those so then you can learn about the Romanian deadlift. And if you learned anything new today, drop a like down below. Hopefully see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.